Goodbye, my insignia, goodbye. You weren't perfect, but you tried. You break fluidly like you were crying long before I ever did. Your tires gave up without a fight. Your clutch slipped softly through the night, but somehow even falling apart, you still carried pieces of my heart. Goodbye, my insignia, goodbye. You were there for years of life, through late night drives and quiet roads. You held my world inside your doors, even when you rattled like a toolbox dropped from height. You still kept going with all your might. Goodbye, my insignia. It hurts more than I thought. Your boot filled up with rain again, but we laughed instead of curse. I'd mop it out, you'd leak some more. Our little ritual loved it now. Your brakes would fade when I needed them most, but you always stopped eventually, and every flaw became a story I didn't know I treasured. Goodbye, my insignia, goodbye. You were chaos, but you tried. Your clutch was slipping day by day. Your engine rattled like it had something to say. But even when you struggled just to breathe, you still found strength to carry me. Goodbye, my insignia, goodbye. You did your very best, and maybe in another life you get the fixes you deserve. A watertight boot, a clutch that bites, brakes that didn't pray for love. But this life took all you had to give, and though it's time to let you go, I'll thank you with a gentle touch before the scrap man takes you home. Goodbye, my insignia, goodbye. You were more than faults and fights. You carried laughter, carried tears, carried me through all those years. So here's my final wave to you, my battered friend, my loyal truth. Goodbye, my insignia, goodbye. Thanks for every mile